Assalamu alaikum. I am Ansari Safiya from Department of Physics, J.A.T Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Dear student, today we have to study complex velocity and acceleration. Now suppose that a particle moving along a curve in a xy plane as shown in figure. Now suppose that particle occupy a position P at a time t. The point P can be represented by complex number z is equal to x plus iy or z is equal to r e raised to I theta in a complex plane. As the particle moves, then theta and r change with time. Therefore, z is a function of time t. Therefore, we can write zt is equal to rt e raised to I theta t. Now, the complex velocity of particle is obtained by differentiating above equation with respect to t. Therefore, we get dz by dt is equal to first differentiation of r with respect to t, that is dr by dt and e raised to I theta as it is, then plus r as it is differentiation of e raised to I theta equal to dr by dt e raised to I theta, then plus r differentiation of e raised to I theta, that is e raised to I theta into differentiation of power, that means I d theta by dt. Now suppose that dr by dt is equal to r dot, d theta by dt is equal to theta dot and dz by dt is equal to z dot, which gives the complex velocity. Therefore, complex velocity v is equal to r dot e raised to I theta plus I r theta dot e raised to I theta. But I is equal to e raised to I pi by 2. Therefore, the complex velocity is equal to r dot e raised to I theta, then plus r theta dot e raised to I theta plus pi by 2. Now, here complex velocity has two components. First one is radial component and the second one is transverse component. Now, the radial component of velocity v is denoted by vt, which is r dot e raised to I theta, and the transverse component of velocity is represented by vt, which is r theta dot e raised to I theta plus pi by 2. Again differentiating v with respect to t, we get complex acceleration. Therefore, dv by dt is equal to d by dt. Now, here v is equal to r dot e raised to I theta plus I r theta dot e raised to I theta. But dv by dt is equal to acceleration is equal to the differentiation of r dot, that means r double dot e raised to I theta as it is, then plus r dot as it is differentiation of e raised to I theta, that is e raised to I theta into I theta dot, then plus I as it is differentiation of r, that is r dot, and theta dot e raised to I theta as it is, then plus I r as it is differentiation of theta dot, that is theta double dot, and e raised to I theta is also as it is, then plus I r theta dot as it is differentiation of e raised to I theta, that means e raised to I theta into I into theta dot. Now simplifying this equation, we get r double dot minus r theta dot square e raised to I theta, then plus I into bracket 2 r dot theta dot plus r theta double dot into e raised to I theta. Now it has also two components. One is radial component of acceleration and the second one is transverse component of acceleration. Now the radial component of acceleration is denoted by ar, which is r double dot minus r theta dot square, and transverse component acceleration is represented by AT, which is 2r dot theta dot plus r theta double dot. In this way, we can obtain complex velocity and complex acceleration. Thank you.